Welcome back, loves. How is everyone doing? You're looking at some Bath & Body Works Dupe Fragrance Mist Spray Sleeves. I'm going to show you today how I made these. So if you'd like to know, just keep on watching. Okay, let's get started with the items we're going to need. You're going to need 2 paper towel rolls, some scissors, a knife, a marker, some E6000 or Gorilla Glue, some tape, some foam, a feather boa, some contact glittered paper or tape, some bling wrap, a glue gun, and of course some glue sticks. Now the first thing we're going to do is cut straight up our paper towel roll. And then we're going to mark so we'll know where the bottom is. Now we're going to take our bottle and we're just going to dry fit the roll around the bottle, and we're going to mark where the beginning of the top starts. Then we're going to flatten out our roll, and then we're just going to make a line so we can cut straight across. Now don't worry, I'll have the measurements down below in the description box. I'm just dry fitting everything to make it go a little bit faster. Now we're going to take our second roll and we're going to do the same thing and cut straight up and down. And we're going to take that first piece and just measure it to our second roll. And we'll cut that as well. Now I'm just evening it out. Now we're going to place one around and then the other one around, and we're going to close up that gap. Now don't put it too tight because you want your bottle to be able to slide in and out, so you want some looseness to it. Now I'm just putting my glue along the side of the roll, and I'm going to fit the other piece to it, right on top of it. And until it dries, I'm going to use my tape and tape it down. Now don't worry about this tape because the tape is going to stay there anyway. So you don't have to worry about taking the tape back off. It's just to keep it together till it dries. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. We're going to glue it down and then tape it down as well. Now I'm just making sure that it's still loose enough for my bottle to move in and out. Sorry I'm out the frame here, guys. But all I'm doing is just making sure my tape is staying closed and staying down. And I'm just adding some more tape because this tape for some reason is not sticking very well. So make sure you get you some good tape. Okay, now that that's done, we're going to take our foam and we're going to cut a piece out. But first we're going to just take our marker and just mark around the bottom of the tube. And because this foam is more thick than I need it to be, I'll be kind of like slicing it in half. As you can see, I'm doing here. Now just fit it inside the bottom of your tube. If it doesn't fit, just keep cutting a little pieces away from it. You're just gonna keep cutting little pieces away until it fits snugly. And don't push it all the way through. Just this is your bottom, so you just want this to stay at the bottom. And then you're gonna take your hot glue gun and just glue all around it. Try not to put a generous amount because the hot glue will melt your foam. So just use enough so it'll adhere. Okay, once that's done, I'm just going to let it dry a little bit. And now we're going to work on covering our tube. So grab that piece of contact paper or the tape and just stick it around to the tube. Now I'm still going to use my E6000 because even though the contact paper is sticky, it's not sticky enough to hold to it. Now I'm just folding the top down. Leave a little bit on the top so you can fold a little bit inside. If you want, you could spray paint the inside, but I didn't see a need for that since you won't even see the inside unless you take your fragrant mist out of it. So if that's what you choose to do, that's fine. And now I'm just trimming the bottom. Now we're going to take that bling wrap and we're going to do the same thing and wrap it around and glue it down as well. But we're going to use our hot glue gun for this part. Now there are so many looks that you can choose. You can also use the blue bling wrap, all different colors. It's your preference. Okay, now we're going to get our feathered boa and we're going to just glue that all around the rim of the top. And now I'm just trimming some of those feathers away to make it look a little neater and nicer. And that's it. And this is the finished product. So glam. And this is the pearl one. And as I'm showing you from Bath and Body Works, and these are the pearls that I used. And this is the blue bling, and this is the red glitter, and this is my fave, so girly. And this is Glam again. So guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, as always, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please don't forget to push that notification bell so you'll be notified every time